Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer USDT from Bitmart to your Coinbase wallet in 2025. If you're new to crypto transfers, don't worry, I'll walk you through each step clearly and simply. By the end of this video, you'll be able to do this confidently and avoid common pitfalls. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Bitmart and Coinbase wallet. You'll need some USDT in your Bitmart wallet and the exact wallet address from Coinbase to avoid any errors. Remember, crypto transfers are irreversible, so double-check everything. Step 1. Log into your Bitmart account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets section and select USDT from your asset list. This is where you'll initiate the withdrawal. Step 2. On your Coinbase wallet app or website, go to the Receive section for USDT. Coinbase supports various networks like ERC20 or Tron for USDT, so pick the one that matches your Bitmart setup, usually ERC20 for most users. Copy the wallet address provided. That's your destination. Step 3. Back on Bitmart, click on Withdraw next to your USDT balance. Paste the Coinbase wallet address into the withdrawal field. Double-check the network type to ensure it matches. Mismatches can lead to lost funds. Enter the amount you want to transfer, keeping in mind any withdrawal fees, which are typically around 1 to 5 USDT depending on the network. Step 4. Review all the details carefully. Hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to complete a two-factor authentication for security. Once approved, the transfer should process within a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Finally, head back to your Coinbase wallet and refresh to see your USDT arrive. If it doesn't show up, check the transaction on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. There you have it. That's how you transfer USDT from Bitmart to Coinbase wallet in 2025. Always prioritize security and verify amounts before sending. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.